Hi, I'm Sean from efiler, and today we'd like to show you how to get up and running with efiler for filing your emails to BIM360. So efiler is an Outlook add-in to help you file your emails. So at the moment we don't have it installed in Outlook, so I'm going to close Outlook. I'm going to visit the efiler website, click on the free trial link, complete my information, and I'll get presented with the download links. So here I'm going to select the download that matches my appropriate Outlook installation. In my case I have the Outlook 32-bit edition installed, so I'm going to go ahead and download that. Once it's downloaded, I can go ahead and run the installer file. Just make sure you've got Outlook closed and that you have administrator rights to be able to install software. So I'll follow through the wizard. Now that that's installed, I can go ahead and open Outlook. You can see that efiler has now been added to the Outlook ribbon. I can go ahead and close the splash screen. Once the add-in is fully loaded, we can immediately start filing emails. efiler can file your emails to a number of locations, including local network locations, as well as cloud destinations like SharePoint or BIM360, etc. So if I was to send out a new email, when I send, I'll be prompted to file that message, and it will automatically find possible filing locations for me to file the email to. So here it's suggesting that I file the email to the Ridge Road emails folder. So I'll go ahead and complete that. To file emails to BIM360, I need to go ahead and add the BIM360 locations to efiler. So I'll open Location Manager. I'll go to the option to add a location. From the drop down, I'll select Add a new storage. From the wizard, I'll select BIM360. Here I'll be prompted for my BIM360 credentials. I'll need to enter my BIM360 password, and I can select Stay Signed In. I'll need to review the authorization and allow that. And that's now been added to my locations. So now I can select from the drop down. I can see my projects that are available for filing, and I can find an appropriate folder to file the emails to. This will add the location to efiler's Location Manager, and I can file the email. File an email to a different location, I can select Location Manager, select a location similar to the one I want to file to, click Add Location. It'll take me to that path, and I can just change to select the correct filing location. I have a look in BIM360. I refresh that view. I can see that email's just been filed. Back in efiler, I can also search the emails. So here I can see all the emails filed by not only me but also by my colleagues, and I can set a filter to show me any email that has the word meeting in it, for example. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, please email us at support@efiler.co.uk or contact us through the website.